Hey guys, my name is Kenyatta and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, what's good? How you doing? How you living? What's up? That is my son in the background repeating everything I'm saying, so bear with me. I got my laptop with me because I'm just getting back from Louisville. I spent the weekend with my sister. I vlogged, so if you haven't seen that vlog, make sure you tune into that. I'm probably going to spend most of the day editing because I have a lot of content to get together. As I was saying, I have a lot of content that I need to edit and get together. But I did want to show you guys. I gotta excuse the hair. It was, you know, cute over the weekend. I was thinking about doing like a TikTok of like my go-to like hairstyles. Like this isn't what it looked like, but this ain't bad either. Like putting it up in a bun or something. But how I did it with a claw clip, this I just got off the highway, so I just really didn't care what I looked like. But I wanted to show you guys. So I got back in town and my son picked out some flowers for me. Look at the flowers. Jeremiah, the one who was just mocking me, these are, hey, he's in that picture as well. But look at the flowers, so precious. So you hear them, so cute. But yeah, these are the flowers. And I also got to show you guys, while I was gone, there was like some packages that came in. So I did have some packages come in. This is my Beyonce outfit, and I'm saving that for like, you know, I think I mentioned it earlier in the vlog, not this vlog, but earlier in a vlog, that we'll get a whole Beyonce vlog. So my outfit's here, so that's great. So we got the outfits, we got the shoes. I just got to work on jewelry and like stuff like that. But this is what I want to show you guys. I ordered some Crocs. So hold on, let me set up the camera. All right guys, so this is pretty much, I think, going to be like my little spot for like showing you guys stuff until I figure out like a different space. But I feel like right now this is like the best space for me to like show things that I bought. Hold on, I feel like we're a little high. It's a little weird. There we go. So, huh? Here comes Booters. So this is what I got. I got some Crocs, some like Croc slides. They are called Mellow Slide. Mellows. And I got, yeah. And I got them in the color Pink Clay. Pink Clay. Yep. Unisex. A men's 7, women's 9. So I had got these little slides from Target like last summer. Summer? Yeah, it was summer. Last summer. And they're just like a nude. So nude. So I wanted these as well, but they're in like a soft, like kind of like a pink color. Yes. Yes. Don't you think so, Booters? So on camera they look, oh, be careful. On camera they look exactly the same as those, but they do have a little, you know, this is what they look like. This is what they look like. And they got like, I already tried them on. They're really comfortable. So I thought it had like a little receding hair. I want to say they were like 50. 50? Yeah, they were like 50. Mommy got to find her phone. I'm going to get my phone so I can get like the exact price. Hold on, you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I've already tried them on. Super comfortable. Just like Crocs. So I'm excited. Let me get the price and stuff. You're excited too? Yeah. Alright, you guys. So I went and got my phone. The total was $53.49. for the slides, so I don't think that was bad. It's pretty, so basically it's the price of, all right, well, I thought Booters was coming to say hi, but he's not. So yes, the cost of it was a $53.49, which is basically the cost of Crocs. So I'm excited about it. It's a different color. I don't really have, like, outside of the Crocs that I have and then the slides I showed you from Target, most of my slides were more like Adidas and Nike and stuff like that. And didn't I bring it up? I need to find my Adidas slides because I can only find like one of them, like one slide. Anyways, so I am about to edit and stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys because this stuff came in. I'm gonna spend most of the day editing because I'm about to show y'all what it looks like outside. It's a mess today, and it's the perfect day to just kind of be glued on your computer, and I have so much to kind of like edit and get together. I think I may even like pick a day this week and go to Starbucks, but stay tuned, I'll let you guys know. But let me show you what it looks like outside. Like, it's been such a beautiful weekend, and now it's like very gloomy. You see the rain falling? Yep, so just gonna edit today. Check in with you guys later. Hey guys, today is Saturday, June 17th, and we are getting ready, Jermaine and I, to go to the Cheesecake Factory for like a pre-Father's Day kind of celebration, because we have plans for tomorrow, like with the boys, but we want to be like outside and stuff tomorrow. So today we are going to go eat. Today is in like more like tonight, because what, it's about to be 8 o'clock. It was very much a slow moving day, just existing. This whole week has been like that, like other than like, that's why I haven't really vlogged, other than like work and then catching up on YouTube videos. I've been doing some editing and getting like my content situated, and then I have like been binge watching Law and Order, like something serious. Like I already be watching Law and Order, but I think it's just been on a little bit of overdrive, because I was watching, like I want to watch the entire thing, and then I kind of like slowed up. But I think I'm in like season 15 or 16, something like that. Y'all remember when like Benson's just now getting Noah, and that crazy crossover with Chicago PD? Like, it is getting crazy. So I have just been like, it's had me in a chokehold. Like every day after work, I'm like, oh, time for Law and Order. So that's pretty much what the vibe's been like all week. But we are getting ourselves situated for the weekend now, for Father's Day events and stuff like that, starting with the Cheesecake Factory. It's just, like I said, just me and Jermaine, and then we are going to be like outside and stuff. It's kind of like the Memorial Day vibe, like all over again for Father's Day. At first we was just going to be like in the pool and stuff, but then Jermaine said he wants to grill. I was like, you know, you don't have to, but if that's what you want to do for Father's Day, that's fine, because I want him to like relax, and grilling in the heat and all this stuff. It's like 81 degrees today. Like, I don't know what it's going to be tomorrow, but I'm like, you don't have to be like grilling and cooking and doing all of that. But he wants to, so it's giving. If you watch that vlog, it's pretty much the same thing. That's going to be what's going on in the pool, outside, just enjoying Father's Day, keeping it light. But this is like the start of it, just kind of appreciation there. Just want to make sure he knows he's appreciated, because he's a really good father. But I'm currently getting dressed. I'm pretty much done. I did my hair in this bun with these pieces out in front. It looks kind of crazy because one side is like shrinking up more than the other. But I'm like, girl, I can't even worry, because I wore my hair like this the other day. You know, that's the thing about natural hair. It does what it wants. I'm like, this is not like what it looked like last time, but I'm not about to. Where is the concealer? So yeah, I'm just quickly doing my makeup, and then I will show you guys the outfit of the day. I actually showed y'all this dress already. It was like, this is my go-to. Like this little gray dress, I have it in gray, and I have one similar in black. It's not the same because it has like a split, and this doesn't. This is literally just straight up and down, like gray dress, very simple, very just, you know, it's everyday like type of dress that I like to wear. I actually need some more just like dresses like this, maybe like in different colors, like before the summer's over. I need to be making an attempt to like get some more maxi dresses. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here, tell you guys what is going on for the weekend, and then I will show you guys the complete look. It's nothing. Like, it's really nothing. This is, I could wear this to like errands or something. Okay guys, outfit of the day. I told y'all it was nothing special. I have on the gray dress, maxi dress. I put on my dad's shoes. They're comfortable, and I don't know, I just didn't want to wear sandals. And then I have on my teal Kate Spade purse, and then like I told you, my hair. And then I have some hoops, as well as like these little Kate Spade ball, I don't know, some type of Kate Spade bracelet, my watch. Yeah, real chill. Do not mind the fiasco behind us, this mess, just ignore it. But yeah, we are headed to the Cheesecake Factory. We're in the mall. The Cheesecake Factory is actually over there. We're waiting on our table, so we decided to look around. I mean, the mall's pretty much closing, but I don't know what time these stores close because they're still open. So we got a wallet. Hey guys, so we just left Cheesecake Factory and then we went to Crumble Cookie to get some cookies. I'm going to show you guys the ones we got. I just wanted to so Jermaine hasn't been to Cheesecake Factory at all, and I feel like I've been twice. One for my sister's baby sprinkle, and I think when I was out of town, but I don't know for sure. So at least one time, but it was like 5-6 years ago, so I don't remember the menu at all. I can't even tell you guys what I really ordered because the waitress basically ordered something that she gets all the time, and the chicken was good. It was basically these, what was it, she said Louisiana chicken, and then it was just a penne pasta with the Alfredo sauce. The chicken was huge. The portion sizes at Cheesecake Factory, I feel are really big. So I pretty much took most of the food. I mean, it was the chicken was good, and then the penne noodle was good, but together it was missing something. So I feel I'm gonna have Jermaine dress it up when we go home. But I'm not gonna eat it right away. I feel maybe for lunch. Why is the road so wet? Did it rain? Oh, maybe for lunch, since we're grilling now, my mind is set on the barbecue food. So Jermaine ordered a smokehouse barbecue burger, and he really liked it. The fries, he said, were terrible. Say hey, Jermaine's driving, and let me show y'all the cookies. Crumble. Oh, what's the message say? It says, well, this is, no, we're driving, so the camera is having a hard time focus. I'll show y'all, but it says Hi Kenyatta. You see it? There it is. It's JD's name, but then it says Hi Kenyatta with some extras. What's right there?
It was an elephant on her face.
Aww, it didn't print well. Dang. Okay, so look at this. The camera, hold on. Camera is in and out of focus. I apologize. There we go. So I do not know the flavors. I apologize. I'm guessing, is this just the chocolate chip right here?
Yes.
Chocolate chip, double chocolate chip, then fudge brownie something. Yeah. I think it's lava something. There's was that last week? Guys, I don't know. Do you know when you went inside? We'll have to look it up and I'll tell you guys, because I don't know what these flavors are. But they look good. They smell good too.
1 second.
Okay, hold on. Please hold.
Double chocolate chip.
So we got double chocolate chip. That's this one. Can you see my? You can't see my hand. The peanut butter cups over here with Reese's, and then brownie batter,
and confetti milkshake.
And that's confetti milkshake. So they look good. And then the night with cookies. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's actually Father's Day and I'm about to get dressed. So I'm not showing you me because I look a mess, but about to get dressed. This is what I'm going to wear. We're going out back again to kind of like get in our little pool. I've worn this bathing suit several times, but I kind of wanted to wear it because it was one piece, but also gives me a reason to wear the skirt. I got it from Ross and I bought it for the honeymoon and overpacked per usual. So I had too many like outfits and never got to that. So I'm going to wear this today's. Real chill outside. So Jermaine got me a blanket. I'm like, it's Father's Day. You're giving me gifts. So this, we've already exchanged and gave Jermaine his gift. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, how cute is this? It says family is everything. And then the little wallet I got yesterday. We were waiting for our table. Hold on. This is Kate Spade, so we were waiting for our table, and it's like Kate Spade's like right there. It's like Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, and like Kate Spade, like right there when you kind of walk in. So this is the little wrapping. Thought it was really cute. This big bag. I'm gonna keep the bag, but this big bag, trying to open with one hand is kind of. Here we are. I just needed a little card holder because when I was like with my sister last weekend, I was struggling like the small bags. Jermaine was like, I could have got this, but I didn't think about it until this past weekend. So yeah, I'm about to get dressed and I'll show you guys, you know, the look, and we're gonna go outside. All right guys, here we go. Bathing suit, skirt on. We're just going out back, so it's not really necessary for the shoes, but this is the look. I swear I'd be rushing because I'm just going out back. And they always beat me. They're already outside, so let's go.
I ain't got no motherfucking. That's why I fucked your bitch.
Happy Father's Day.